Every morning, as you open your eyes to start a new day, billions of others around the world are doing the same. But sadly, there are some who never wake up again. According to medical statistics, more than 80% of strokes occur in the morning between 6 a.m. and noon when our blood becomes thicker, the heart beats faster, and in just a few minutes, a deadly clot can form. I remember one of my patients, a 62-year-old man, strong and full of life. Every morning, he woke up early to exercise. But one day, the moment he got out of bed, he collapsed. The doctor's diagnosis was simple yet frightening. Dehydration after a long night's sleep had thickened his blood, and his heart just couldn't take it. Scary, isn't it? But here's the good news. Sometimes just one warm glass of lemon salt water in the morning is enough to gently wake up your body, boost circulation, and protect you from those hidden dangers. Why does your body need water? Every morning, after 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body loses a significant amount of water through breathing and sweating. As a result, your blood becomes thicker, and your heart has to work twice as hard to pump it, increasing the risk of stroke and heart attack in the morning hours. Not only that, but you may also feel tired, experience headaches, dry mouth, or even constipation. That's why a glass of warm water in the morning works like a natural wake-up medicine for your body. It helps thin the blood, ease the heart's workload, stimulate digestion, improve circulation, and refresh your mind. According to a 2022 Harvard University study, drinking just 300 to 500 milliliters of warm water each morning can reduce the risk of stroke by up to 20% in people over the age of 50. Why add a pinch of salt? After a long night's sleep, your body doesn't just lose water, it also loses essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. That's when salt truly works its magic. Just a small pinch helps restore electrolyte balance, regulate blood pressure, stimulate digestion, keep you alert, and prevent morning muscle cramps. I like to call salt the conductor of health because it helps water travel into every cell faster and work more effectively inside your body. And what about lemon? Why is it the star of the show? Lemons may be small, but they hold an incredible treasure of nutrients: vitamin C, flavonoids, potassium, and pectin fiber. Vitamin C strengthens your immune system, fights inflammation, and protects your body from fatigue and common colds. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and keeps your mind sharp and focused. Meanwhile, citric acid in lemons stimulates the liver to produce bile, improving fat digestion and reducing bloating. Lemons are also rich in powerful antioxidants that help lower bad cholesterol, improve blood lipid levels, boost circulation, slow down aging, and give your skin a healthy, radiant glow. Interestingly, even though lemons taste acidic, once inside your body, they create a mildly alkaline environment, helping balance your pH levels and reduce inflammation. In other words, lemon is the quiet friend that protects your heart and overall health every single day. When combined, warm water plus salt plus lemon equals the 3-in-1 health drink. Each ingredient plays its own role, but when combined, they create a powerful, synergistic effect on your body. One rehydrates and restores. Electrolyte balance: a glass of warm salted water quickly replenishes the fluids and minerals lost overnight, relaxes the body, eases pressure on the heart, and helps your muscles wake up smoothly. 2. Stimulates digestion and prevents constipation. The tangy flavor of lemon and the mild saltiness awaken your digestive system, activate enzymes and stomach acids, making breakfast more enjoyable and reducing bloating. 3. Detoxifies and supports the liver and kidneys. Lemon's flavonoids help the liver flush out toxins, while salt's mild antibacterial property helps cleanse the digestive tract. 4. Boosts immunity and prevents illness. Vitamin C strengthens your immune system, warms your body, and keeps your mind clear and energized. 5. Aids weight control and beautifies. Skin low in calories, this drink curbs appetite, stabilizes blood sugar, promotes glowing skin, and slows the signs of aging. How to make lemon salt water the right, science-backed way you'll need. 1/3 of a fresh lemon, 200 to 300 milliliters of warm water, around 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees Celsius. A small pinch of salt, less than 1 gram. Optional, 1 teaspoon of pure honey for a gentle sweetness. How to prepare: boil the water, then let it cool until it's just warm. Squeeze in the lemon juice. You can also drop in a few thin slices of the peel for extra aroma. Add the salt and stir until it is dissolved. Finally, if you prefer a milder taste, mix in a spoonful of honey. How to drink: after waking up and brushing your teeth, sip it slowly for about 5 minutes. Avoid drinking too quickly on an empty stomach. Wait 20 to 30 minutes before having breakfast. If you're concerned about acid affecting your teeth, use a straw and rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. 5 common mistakes people make when drinking lemon salt water. 1. Making it too strong. This can irritate your stomach and raise your blood pressure. 2. Drinking it on an empty stomach. Too much acid at once may cause a burning sensation or stomach pain. 3. Using boiling water. High heat destroys vitamin C and beneficial enzymes in the lemon. 4. Skipping the lemon peel. You'll lose valuable essential oils and antioxidants found in the peel. 5. Drinking too much. Overconsumption can erode tooth enamel, cause acid reflux, or even lead to dehydration. 1 glass, about 200 to 300 milliliters each morning, is all you need. Who should and should not drink lemon salt water in the morning? Recommended for middle-aged and older adults who often feel tired in the morning, people with constipation or poor digestion, those who want to lose weight or have dry, dull skin, people who drink alcohol or smoke, morning exercisers who need quick hydration. Use with caution. People with gastritis or acid reflux, make it very mild and drink after eating. Those with high blood pressure, heart or kidney issues, reduce or skip the salt. Diabetics, avoid adding honey. Pregnant women, drink it mildly and never on an empty stomach. People with cold body types, try warm honey ginger water instead. Final thoughts: a small habit, a big impact. Just 1 glass of warm lemon salt water each morning. It may seem simple, but it can truly change the course of your day. It rehydrates your body, jumpstarts digestion, clears your mind, and keeps your heart stronger and healthier. Take just 5 minutes each morning for yourself. Sip a warm glass of lemon salt water, breathe deeply, stretch a little, and smile. True health doesn't come from grand gestures. It begins with small, consistent actions, repeated every single day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because sometimes one small habit can save an entire life. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.